And Christmas, please.
Do you want to come along and go Christmas tree shopping with us? Okay, just pick out a good one. And then you're going to have to live through all of the month-long Instagram photos that I'm going to take of it. Woohoo! Show you a little tiny one. Tree hunting. Oh, yeah.
Ever gonna be like this?
There's some cute trees. Oh, she's gonna come back.
You're not coming, Lynn.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. No.
You guys are like little hordes when you go in for it.
I want some pasta.
Okay, everybody wants some cocoa?
I don't know exactly.
Alright, I'll take you a John Deere.
Them far and to the earth it gave great light, and so
Trees, guys. Look at the trees.
both day
Two slide. Okay, guys, we found our tree. Look at that beauty.
We got the tree, and we're gonna chop it down. Okay. Ready,
Now
Dad?
it's the exciting moment. They give you a saw here, which is nice because it's either that or my kitchen knife.
Yeah, we can shave Dad's head with it. We can shave Dad's and John's head with it.
Okay, I'm gonna move the camera down so you can see it. This is exciting. Ooh, you're making quick work of that.
Timber!
Got a tree. You just fell down on the tripod, but whatever.
Hey.
Look, a tree. Okay, that's gonna be a good tree. Then watch for our next vlog because you've got to decorate with us. So we're gonna do a whole decorate the house video, and you will see the tree again.
9 years old.
Hey, thanks so much for coming along with us. You can see one of our previous years. I think it's up on the Rose Kelly channel. I think so. The vlog channel from our trick-or-treating, from our Christmas tree hunt. I don't know, it might be on the Wholesome Feed. I'm not sure which other channels it's on. You can look around to see our various years of all these fun Christmas tree looks, which is just really neat. Until next time, hey, check out the links in the description box. If you are looking for presents, I link to my homeware store where I sell my designs, and I also link to all my romance novels that I write myself. I say that because a lot of people are like, oh, are the romance novels yours? And I mean, I write them. I'm an author. It's my job. Hey, be good. Be good, Bubba Goo. And they make wonderful, easy, even last-minute presents. So, hey, until next time, thank you so much for being a part of our little Christmas tree holiday season family on here. Love y'all.